Safety Toolbox Talk number 329. SOP for maintenance work. 1. Purpose. To define the procedures and responsibilities for performing routine and emergency maintenance on equipment, machinery, and facilities. 2. Scope. This SOP applies to all maintenance activities performed within company. 3. Responsibilities. Maintenance supervisor oversees the maintenance activities, ensures adherence to the SOP, and assigns tasks. Technicians/workers perform maintenance tasks as outlined in this SOP, ensuring all steps are followed and reporting any issues. Safety officer ensures all safety guidelines are followed during maintenance work. Quality assurance reviews and verifies that maintenance work is completed to standard. Four. Equipment and tools. List of tools, machinery, and safety equipment needed for the maintenance tasks, e.g. wrenches, multimeters, protective gear, etc. Ensure all equipment is inspected and functional before use. 5. Safety precautions. Always de-energize and lock out/tag out, LOTO, equipment before starting maintenance work. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, including gloves, goggles, hard hats, and hearing protection as necessary. Follow all safety protocols as per the safety manual. Ensure proper ventilation when working with hazardous materials. Familiarize yourself with emergency procedures in case of accidents. Six. Procedure. Step 1. Preparation. Review maintenance schedules, manuals, and technical documents. Ensure that the required tools and replacement parts are available. Inform affected personnel or departments of scheduled maintenance. Step 2. Pre-maintenance checks. Inspect the area for any potential hazards, spills, debris, or obstructions. Verify that all necessary lockout/tagout procedures have been implemented. Ensure that any necessary permits, hot work, confined space, etc., have been obtained. Step 3. Performing maintenance tasks. Follow the manufacturer's instructions and maintenance manuals for equipment. Carry out the necessary checks, repairs, or replacements, e.g. lubrication, filter changes, part replacements. Keep detailed records of all tasks performed, including the time spent, parts used, and any issues encountered. Step 4. Testing and verification. After completing the maintenance work, verify the functionality of the equipment. Perform necessary testing to ensure that the machine/equipment is operating as expected. Step 5. Clean up and return to service. Clean the area of any tools, parts, and waste materials. Safely dispose of any waste or parts according to environmental and company standards. Return equipment to normal operation and notify relevant personnel. 7. Documentation. Document all maintenance activities in the maintenance log, including date and time of maintenance, work performed, parts replaced, test results, any deviations from standard procedure. Ensure that the maintenance history is up to date for future reference. Eight. Troubleshooting. For unplanned maintenance, if an issue arises during maintenance, troubleshoot by identifying the problem, use diagnostic tools or visual inspection, referencing the equipment manual or consulting with the maintenance supervisor, taking corrective actions as necessary, e.g. part replacement, recalibration. 9. Quality control and inspection. Perform regular inspections and quality checks to ensure all equipment is in good working condition. Review maintenance logs to identify recurring issues and assess the need for upgrades or further training. 10. Training and competency. Ensure that all maintenance personnel are properly trained on the equipment and procedures. Regularly conduct refresher training to maintain high levels of competency. References, manufacturers' manuals and guidelines. Company safety procedures. Industry standards and regulatory requirements. 12. Revision history. Document any revisions or updates to this SOP, including the date and reason for the changes. Thank you.